what if I told you that that in the next 12 months, you could literally become a homeowner? Not just for yourself, but also for your legacy, for your family. This is a reason you have to have a why. You have to be motivated, and sometimes you need some inspiration. And I actually have mine here with me. I actually have my daughter. This is
Gianna.
This is Gianna, and you know, this is obviously why we work so hard. You know, and sometimes it's one of those things that we're gonna need something to kind of push us through those hard times. Because throughout the year, life's gonna happen. You're gonna go through bumps and bruises. You're gonna go through situations where it might seem hopeless. And I wanna give you guys the hope, because guess what? Tax season is here. I wanna give you guys a real good message. Things that I've done in the past, things that I've been able to help others as well to achieve. And the bottom line is that, that now that tax season's here, you worked so hard 2019, let's go ahead and make sure that we're investing that money in the right spot, in the right place. A lot of things are gonna obviously happen. We're gonna be motivated to spend that money. A lot of people really think about spending instead of saving. This year, really, I wanna make it my mission to not only become debt-free, to become debt-free through the business, and to make better decisions, to live below my means. So I'm highly encouraging you guys out there that are following us, because again, sometimes credit could be a little bit hazy, it could be a little bit foggy, but to me, credit is black and white. It's a matter of being positive, staying proactive, constantly being on top of your finances, because credit is just one aspect of it. So for you guys out there that are looking to literally become homeowners, invest in yourself. Get that tax money that you're about to go ahead and receive and put it into an account that you might not even be able to touch, such as an IRA. For you guys out there that literally have a job, talk to your employer. See if they offer you guys a 401k, which is basically a retirement account. An IRA is individual retirement account, and there's different types of IRAs out there, but they come with a lot of tax benefits, because again, it's not about me. It's about our legacy. It's about the people that we're literally influencing, the people that are constantly looking at us, looking for things to kind of, in a sense, mimic. So we want to give good examples. So we have to have good habits. We have to be positive, and even in darkness, because sometimes, you know, life's gonna slap you around. And you know what? As long as you hold on, not only to hope, but to your whys, then that's literally how you're gonna be able to press on. This obviously is something that I truly feel in my heart, that anybody can have healthy credit as long as we fight for it. Because at the end, you know, your credit could change on a daily basis, but it's up to you. It's up to you on how you manage that. Because at the end, it's not only about the things that are on your report, it's how we avoid things coming onto the report. And I get sometimes faced with customers that we've been able to help in the past that tend to come back, because again, it's our habits, guys. So I hope this message encourages you. Hold on to your why. Until the next time, again, for you guys following, obviously subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna continue to pump out more positive, motivational, and informational information so that you guys could get yourself to that next level. Thank you so much. We're in camera, baby. You can't look anywhere. You have to. Oh, Jenna, you're gonna be on the video or you're not gonna be on the video, but you can't move, baby. You gotta stick to it.
Like this?
You gotta pay attention. No.
Look at the camera the whole time.
Well, you guys recording a video? Yeah!
You wanna be part of the video too, Jay?
No.
You should be part of the video. Look at the lens. That's what you're looking at. Just that right there. That's what you're looking at.
You can look here.
Yeah, right there. That's what you're looking at, okay?